Jumping into meme coins feels a lot like stepping into a chaotic carnival where most of the rides are rigged against you. You'll run into shady projects, bizarre tactics, and the constant risk of losing your entire stack with just one wrong move. I've taken plenty of hits myself, but after a lot of trial and error, I managed to put together a system that actually delivers results. In this video, I'll walk you through how the process works so you can understand it and maybe grab some wins of your own. Everything changed when I stopped treating meme coins like quick cash grabs and started approaching them as if they were actual projects. That mindset shift completely transformed my outcomes. My main focus is on launches, and naturally most people head straight for Pump Fun since it's the most popular platform. The problem? It's packed non-stop, and just showing up isn't enough. Even with a strategy, luck plays a huge role, and losses pile up faster than wins. I got tired of the noise and constant chaos, so I stepped back and looked for something better. That's when I found Raydium. In this video, I'll break down why I think it's the smarter option for launching tokens. The entire process feels smoother, less hectic, more control, and a much stronger chance to build something meaningful. Unlike Pump Fun, which is overflowing with endless launches, Raydium moves at a steadier pace with only a few coins going live each minute. That means your project actually has room to stand out. After experimenting with countless strategies, this approach turned out to be the most seamless way I've discovered to launch on Raydium. The tool that makes it possible is BitlyxSol. It removes all the usual headaches. No coding, no complicated setup, just a few clicks and you're good to go. Stick with me in this video and I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. The step one, it's the logo. Your logo is one of the most important parts of launching a memecoin. Since it's the first thing people notice, it needs to grab attention right away. The more funny, unusual, or eye-catching it is, the better it sticks. The easiest approach is to build on memes that are already trending. A quick scroll online can give you all the inspiration you need. For this demo, I went with a capybara holding a cup of coffee. Simple, cute, and instantly likable. Don't forget to resize it to 128 by 128 pixels and save it before moving on. Once your logo is ready, it's time to set up the token. Jump into the BitlyxSol, just connect your wallet, approve the pop-up, and you're good to go. Next, fill out the key details. Give your token a name, pick a symbol, write a short and fun description, and upload your logo. For this walkthrough, I'm naming mine Capybara Coffee with the ticker Cappy. The description is where you can add humor or personality. Something light always works best. Now comes the tokenomics section. It might seem intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's already configured for you. No need to change a thing, just move forward. The most crucial trust-building step comes next. Revoke authority settings. These act as built-in safety measures. Revoke freeze prevents transaction tampering. Revoke mint ensures no extra tokens can be created. Revoke update locks the contract from being altered post-launch. Investors look for these settings. Leaving them off can scare people away instantly. That's why the smart move is to enable all three, then hit Launch My Token Now. Your wallet will prompt you for approval. Confirm it, and within seconds your token is live. Before celebrating, hop over to SolScan to double-check. If your token shows up there, you'll see supply, transactions, and all the details confirming it's on the blockchain. As we can see, name of the token, Capybara Coffee, same as we name it on the website, and the symbol is Cappy. If you don't see your token name, just wait a minute, because Solana blockchain, a little slow, let it load. But don't get too excited yet. There's one more critical step before it's truly ready. Without liquidity, your token can't be traded. Setting up a pool is simple. Select the liquidity option and follow the prompts. This is where Raydium comes in. Connect your wallet, then paste your token's contract address from BitlyxSol into Raydium. Once it loads, add it as a user token and select it from the dropdown. For this example, with a supply of 1 billion, I'll be putting 900 million tokens into the pool. Next, choose the quote token, the one people will trade against yours. On Raydium, the go-to option is SOL, and that's what we'll use. Decide how much SOL you want to add, leaving at least 0.2 SOL for fees. For fees, I usually stick with the 2% tier, which has worked consistently well. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the wallet prompt, and just like that, your token is live for trading. After this, you'll see it appear on Photon, ready to go. From here, the market takes over. When it comes to tracking performance, I always use DEXScreener. It's more user-friendly than Photon and perfect for tutorials. Just grab your token's address from BitlyxSol, paste it into the URL, and your chart will load instantly. Liquidity is the main metric to watch because that's where profits happen. Remember, bots move lightning fast, and there's no foolproof defense. Focus on volume and liquidity instead. Check your Raydium portfolio tab to see your holdings and active positions. Your liquidity position typically shows up within 10 to 15 minutes, but sometimes it takes longer. That's normal. My liquidity still hasn't appeared yet. So while we wait, let's quickly take a look at how the coin is performing on the charts. It's always useful to watch those early moves and see what direction the market is taking. In the meantime, here's the giveaway winner from the last video. If you want to take part in the next one, make sure to join the Telegram. It's where I share updates and future giveaways. All right, let's stop talking and move to the main part. Time to rug the coin and lock in some profits. When it's time to exit, head back to the Liquidity tab on Raydium. Find your LP position, click the minus button, and slide it to 100%. Ignore the top numbers, they don't reflect your real payout. Focus on the SOL figure at the bottom. If it looks good, hit Remove Liquidity, approve in your wallet, and that's it. The profits go straight into your wallet. Give it a moment to refresh, and your gains will be there. To close things out, this walkthrough is for educational purposes only. I'm not affiliated with Photon, BitlyxSol, DEXScreener, or Raydium. I'm just sharing the process I personally follow. The opportunity is there, and if it feels right, now might be the time to give it a try.